In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in XM account. Now, the first thing you want to do on my.xm.com, you want to first sign into your account, and then inside your dashboard, you want to click up top over here, and first, you must create a real account because, of course, if you don't create a real account, you won't be able to actually deposit onto any of the accounts because you won't have one. Now, once you have your real account, which you can create by clicking the plus button, and then real account over here, and then just going through the setup, which is going to be very easy and quick. You want to go to the left hand side over here where it says more. You want to click on funding and you want to click on deposit. After that, select your real account and click on deposit again. And now from here, as you can see, if you haven't verified your account yet, you will have to verify it by clicking this button and going through the process. And after you do this, you'll be able to select one of these 7 deposit methods over here on the list. Just click on them, follow the instructions, and that way you can then deposit. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.